Travel is not just about the places we visit, it's about the memories we create and the stories that we bring home. Welcome back, friends, as we bring into focus the next to last step in our travel planning journey. In this video, we explore the art of holding on to those precious memories. From the click of a camera to the stroke of a pen, every memory you capture is your very own treasure, and a reminder of all the amazing experiences that have shaped your journey. Are you ready? Let's begin. In our last video, we focused on taking thoughtful steps toward ensuring your health and safety to explore, discover, and enjoy your travels to the fullest. Let us now begin to focus on cherishing every moment and ensuring that the joy and wonder of your travels stay with you long after you return home. In a world of digital immediacy, capturing memories is easier than ever, but it's not just about snapping, tagging, and selfieing every experience. It's also about finding those unique moments that illustrate and frame the most meaningful parts of your experience. Consider keeping a travel journal. Write down your thoughts, the flavors you tasted, the sounds you heard, and the people you met. These personal notes are priceless souvenirs that bring depth to your memories and deeply rooted impressions. In this digital era that we live in, there are countless creative ways to preserve and share your memories. Compiling a digital photo album or keepsake, creating video montages, starting a travel blog, and tons of social media apps and websites that make sharing your travel adventures a breeze. These collections become your personal travel storybook. Let's not forget about the most meaningful memories, the connections we make. Engaging with locals, making new friends, sharing stories or a meal, or reconnecting with old friends. These interactions can become the most cherished memories of all. Remember that the essence of travel lies in the memories that we create and the stories that we bring back. So capture generously, preserve creatively, and let your travels continue to inspire you and others long after the journey ends. As we draw nearer to the end of creating your dream destination travel plan, we have come to one of the most enduring parts, cherishing and preserving your travel memories. These are not just moments captured, they're experiences that will continue to inspire and uplift for future journeys ahead. Whether it's through photographs, journals, videos, or heartfelt souvenirs, each memory you've saved is a chapter of your unique travel story. A story that's yours to relive and share. We hope you're inspired to capture every moment and treasure every memory on your upcoming adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming as the journey continues. See you in the next video, and travel well, friends.